Hey, I am popping on here today to show you how to access that free pattern library. So when you join my email list, you automatically get access to the free pattern library. I think there's currently 8 or 9 free patterns in that. Most of them are quilts, but there's also a couple of smaller projects. I've had a big influx of subscribers, and just this week alone, I've had about 10 people have issues figuring it out. And I thought sometimes it's better to show you visuals instead of just writing instructions. So this is a visual of this process. So let me show you that now. Okay, so this is southerncharmquilts.com, my website. If you scroll down here, get access to the free patterns. This is where you would subscribe. There are also dozens of ways to subscribe to this list. I have direct links to it. I have the footer has it. Most of the posts have access to subscribe. You can also go up here to start here. You can click that and you can subscribe right there. But the easiest way is just on the home screen. So before I show you a demo of subscribing, let me tell you this first. This menu, if you're looking at it on a mobile device or on some tablets, it appears as 3 vertical lines. I think they end up being right here below the logo or right above the logo. But if you see those 3 lines and you click them, that will open up this menu. So all this is the menu. If you come over here to this side of the menu, free pattern library, hover over the arrow and then or click on the arrow sometimes. And this is the 3 things that I have for the pattern library. Enter the free pattern by clicking there. That means you've already got the password, okay? Don't click that if you haven't got the password. Here's FAQs in case you're having trouble. And here is subscribe for the password if you know you're not on my email list. All right, to get on it, just fill out whatever it is. If you're on this page or one of the other pages, it looks something similar. It'll say, get access to the free pattern. You will fill it out with your info and click go. This is your confirmation, okay? So that's confirmation. That's what that looks like. That's nothing. You can continue back to our website or wherever you want to go. That just means you're good, okay? Then once you receive that, go check your inbox. See, there's again, that is confirmation email. All right, eventually in your inbox, it's going to say, you're going to get a second email that says welcome, or sometimes it's hello and welcome, just depends on which list you've subscribed from. But essentially the welcome email looks like this. Password is right here. And this password changes every month. So but as long as you subscribe, if you stay subscribed to the email list, you will always have access to this password, because every time it changes, I send a new email out that says password change. So this is the password. This is the email. And if you click, it will take you right into the free pattern library. Give it a minute. There it is. Boom. Okay, I've been in here before, so it didn't ask me for the password. But if you've never been in here before, it'll have this title right here, and there will be a little box for you to type in the password. You will use all capital letters. All of my passwords are all capital letters. A few tiny details. If you are already subscribed on the list and you can't find the password, or you don't have the password, or you've never noticed it before, that happens a lot actually. And if that is you, you can go to your email provider, go to the search bar, type in Southern Charm Quilts. That should pull up every email I've ever sent you. If it doesn't, it means you're not subscribed, or you've deleted it maybe. But if you click on the latest email, the password will be there. If for some reason that's not working for you, just send me an email. I'm happy to help. A nice email. I've gotten a lot of grumpy ones this week. You're already a subscriber. You already get all this information in my bi-weekly newsletter. So I send out my Southern Charm Quilts newsletter on the 1st and 15th of every month, talking about what's going on, things coming up, classes, patterns, quilt stuff that you might want to know. So that's what's in those newsletters, but in every single one of them, you get a link to the pattern library and the password. If you have any struggles, again, just send an email and I'm happy to help you. That's all.